friends. Today in the gospel reading, we see Jesus makes his disciples get into the boat and go ahead of him while he himself goes to the mountain to pray. And when it was evening, the boat was in the middle of the sea, and the winds were against them, and the disciples were struggling with the oars, rowing against the winds. And just then they see Jesus walking on the sea, and they were terrified. They thought it was a ghost and they started crying out. But Jesus tells them, "Take courage, it is I. Do not be afraid." And he gets into the boat with them, and the wind stops, and they were utterly astonished. And we see from this entire passage that it was Jesus who allowed the disciples to go on the boat, and he allowed those winds to be against them. And same way in our life also, my dear friends, we live this journey here on this earth is like living in the boat, and the winds many a times come against us. We face difficult situations, we face pressures from the world, we face persecutions, trials, troubles, everything, many things may come against us. But let us remember that Jesus always looks at us. He is coming towards us to help us. He is not distant, he is not away, but instead he prays for us. He is interceding for us. He is always there with us. And we see over here also, Jesus says, "Take courage, it is I, do not be afraid." Jesus is telling those same words to all of us today. Take courage, do not be afraid. Today, let us remember, whatever situation we are in, we need to trust in the Lord. Here, the disciples, they had seen a great miracle of Jesus feeding the 5,000 earlier, but yet their heart was hardened. Many a times we are also like these disciples. We have experienced many miracles, many areas in our life where God has helped us, but yet when a new situation of difficulty comes in our life, we fail to recognize that God is with us. We fail to have that faith in him, that trust in him. Today, my dear friends, let us remember that Jesus told that he is always with us. He is with us till the end of age, and he says, "I am with you. I will never leave you, never forsake you." What we need to do is have faith in the Lord, have put our trust in God when everything seems impossible. Let us remember that he is a God who never leaves us. He is a God who never forsakes us. Instead, he carries us in his arms, and this is the God whom we trust. That is why we need to know that Jesus loved us so much that he gave his life for us. A God who gave his life for us, will he allow us to sink in difficult situations? Will he allow us to drown in the middle of the sea? No, my dear friends, our God is a faithful God, and he is with us always. Today, let us be encouraged that whichever situation we may be in, we may have difficult situations in our life. The winds may be against us, the sea may be very strong, but let us remember we have a God who is stronger than all these situations. He is with us, and he will never fail us. He will never allow us to be tested beyond our ability. Thank you. God bless you.